Today I'm gonna introduce you to the compact mechanical keyboard Corsair K70 RGB TKL Champion Series. What's so special about it? All products of the new Champion Series were developed to meet the high demands of esports professionals. I'll tell you what that means right after the intro. The Corsair K70 RGB TKL is designed from the ground up for competitive gaming. That's why it featured the so-called Axon hyper-processing technology on the inside for record-breaking hyperpolling of up to 8000 Hz. This means that your keystrokes are transmitted to the PC up to 8 times faster than with traditional gaming keyboards. Even complex and parallel inputs are always transmitted reliably and quickly by Axon. All this is made possible by a high-performance SoC with the real-time operating system and a special scheduling algorithm. However, the keyboard's full potential is only unleashed when combined with the iCUE software from Corsair. You can not only customize the K70 RGB TKL as you wish, such as letting the RGB lighting shine in your team's colors, but also program complex macros, keyboard shortcuts, and much more. But true esports tournaments often also have strict guidelines that affect the lighting as well as other things. That's why the keyboard is equipped with a so-called tournament switch at the back, which, once flipped, limits the lighting to a static color and disables macros to guarantee tournament compliance. But that's not all, because if you want to achieve top performance, you'll also need absolutely reliable key switches that won't let you down. And that's where we come in. Depending on the region, Corsair offers the K70 RGB TKL with our MX RGB Red, Silent Red or Speed Silver switches. This is perfect for fast keystrokes because all of these MX variants have a linear switching characteristic. Each switch is also equipped with durable, wear-resistant PBT double-shot keycaps. Thanks to a thickness of 1.5 mm, they also offer rigid stability. On top of that, there is an N-key rollover with 100% anti-ghosting so that every keystroke is precisely executed as intended. And you can also lock the Windows key so that you don't accidentally get kicked out of your game. And despite the compact size, Corsair even includes easy-to-reach dedicated media controls and an aluminum roller for easy volume control so you won't be distracted from your game. All settings can be stored in over 50 profiles right on the keyboard thanks to the 8 MB of onboard memory. So let me sum it up. Thanks to the compact tenkeyless design, iconic high-quality aluminum frame and detachable USB-C cable, the Corsair K70 RGB TKL is a comfortably transportable gaming keyboard that connects easily and quickly to any system. And it offers eSports-grade performance that the pros need for their competitions. So let me know in the comments below what you think of this gem from Corsair. For example, do you miss the numpad when gaming, or is this format just right for you? So thank you very much for watching, and I wish you folks nothing but the best. Hope to see y'all in the next video. Take care.